What's up guys, I'm Greg. Today we're going to be talking about how Meet Kevin gained so many subscribers in such a short period of time. So let me give you the most basic analogy of what Kevin does in order to gain subscribers. So let's say you have two finance YouTubers and Kevin's like, I think that their audiences would like the stuff that I'm putting out. So Kevin basically elbows his way into their audiences, obviously in a good way. He's got good content, he has great value, and these audience end up loving his content. So now I'm going to tell you how he does that. And one of the big things is that Kevin does collabs with bigger and smaller YouTubers. So you have bigger like Graham Stephan. He's also done collabs with smaller YouTubers such as Chandler David Smith, which is another finance and real estate YouTuber, as well as the Investment Joy, who owns quite a few rental properties as well as a couple businesses in Ohio. And who knows what YouTuber Meet Kevin will collab with next? Maybe Greg Thorpe. Just maybe you'll catch this face on Meet Kevin's channel in 2021. So now we're going to take a look at a clip from Graham and Kevin talking about Kevin reaching out to Graham when he was a smaller YouTuber.
Whoa! No.
No.
Is that it?
It's a love letter. Look, Kevin, I'm gonna read this.
No. I'm drinking. I mean, this is just water, of course.
All right. Hi, Graham. A lot of your audience on YouTube seems to be younger and either aspiring or newer. Having watched you since your 7,000 sub days, which wasn't even that long ago, congrats. I know we share a lot of the same philosophies and wanted to offer potential talks and film sites, renovations in progress on either flips or rental deals. I personally don't flip. Now keep in mind, I have not seen this email since back then. I have not looked at it. So this is the first time I'm seeing this in almost 3 years. I'm 25. With my wife, we own just over $4 million in properties, almost exclusively single-family rentals. I usually sell about $20 million per year, about 40 deals, no door knocking or fairy customer service. I'm my own broker. We just started a renovation business exclusively for our clients, meetandone.com. We have neat ideas that I think could benefit your channel and offer growth in both YouTube and real estate. Best wishes for your continued growth, Kevin. P.S. I started at 18 after quitting at Red Robin and almost quit college UCLA. I've walked in the footsteps of your viewers. And I responded back, yes, let me know when you can talk.
But not only does Kevin collab with other YouTubers, he also likes to make content to get noticed by them and by their audiences. Probably the biggest one would be Grant Cardone, which actually ended up suing him. And then another real well-known one that he makes a lot of content on would be Matt Reisinger, where he comments on the Build series. He's also popped shots off at Manny Koshman. If you don't know who Manny is, he's the billionaire commercial real estate investor that owns basically every hyper and supercar known to man. So again, that's step one. Kevin kind of elbows his way into other people's audiences to make himself known, and then boom, he hits you with point two, which would be the value of his content. He can go ahead and smash a whole crash course into a 10-minute video on how to buy your first rental and still do an epic job and give you tons of information. So when he gets in there, he's providing tons and tons of value, which is why people follow him, which is why he continues to grow on YouTube, and why, he only started about 2 years ago. And that's just mind-blowing to go from 0 to 900,000 subscribers in just 2 years. When it comes to value, he is always providing that, but he goes in really in-depth in his courses. I have purchased one just because I was so impressed with his real estate videos and the value that he was able to provide, that I'm like, well, realistically, if he's gonna go even more in-depth in a course, then it's really something that you'd be stupid to not buy. And when Kevin finally saw the biggest growth in his channel was when he decided to flip the switch and go from mainly real estate and videos that take up a long period of time to posting stimulus videos. And at the time, there was nobody else putting out stimulus videos, or at least nobody that was decent, and I'm sure people since have tried to copy him. But that took his channel from probably about 250,000 subscribers up to about, I think he's around 950 right now. But just the amount of work that he's putting in to go and do 3, 4, 5 videos a day is just absolutely ridiculous. But then we go back to the whole value standpoint, to where he built a loyal following base, to where he has people that are going to watch his videos, and then he's continuing to provide value on stimulus update, which brought in a whole horde of people because nobody else was doing it. And I think with all that being said, it's really no surprise that he went from 0 to basically 1 million subscribers in 2 years, and honestly, he will hit 1 million probably before Thanksgiving, and I think it's probably a very short time before he hits 2 million. If you made it this far, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also, while you're down there, the subscribe button's down there. Really appreciate that. Also, go comment on Kevin's channel. Maybe he'll watch this video, and maybe you'll catch this face on Kevin's channel 2021.